As you start incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you might notice something remarkable happening. Your skin begins to glow from the inside out, your joints feel more supple, and your digestive system hums along with ease. It's as if your body is slowly but surely repairing and rejuvenating itself, one gelatin-rich day at a time. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what about collagen? Isn't that the ultimate skin and joint superhero? And while collagen is certainly a powerhouse, I'm here to tell you that gelatin is where it's at, especially when it comes to the gelatin trick. You see, gelatin is essentially what collagen breaks down into, making it a more accessible and absorbable form of this incredible protein. When you do the gelatin trick, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to thrive. My friend, the benefits are subtle yet profound, and I invite you to experience it for yourself. Check out the link in my description to get started with the gelatin trick. And be sure to peek at the pinned comment below for some valuable tips and tricks to make the most of this simple yet powerful daily ritual. Get ready to unlock a more radiant, resilient you with the gelatin trick.